All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of my winner's choice between the Melvin Gordon helmet and the Christian Yelich framed 16 by 20. So we'll check the time, March 8th at 3:20. We'll let this roll over here, 3:23. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we've got March 8th at 3:23 p.m. There is the list of our 25 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. All right, 7 times. Excuse me. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is John. Spot 13 is your winner. So, John, please PM me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp, March 8th, 3:23 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.